In this video, I will show you how to check your PC activation status in Windows 11. To get started from your desktop, what you want to do is come and click onto your Windows Start icon in your taskbar at the bottom. From here, you want to come and click onto Settings. If you don't see that here, use the search box and type Settings, and then open up Settings underneath Best Match. Now, once you have your settings opened, come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto System. From the System options, just scroll down until you see the option for Activation. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to information about your PC activation status. So you can see at the very top, you've got your activation state. You can see mine says active, which means I have an active copy of Windows 11. So that is how to check your PC activation status in Windows 11. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows 11 and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.